That was some sell-off there on Exxon, and not what I expected. Uh, kind of glad I was in it. Got in somewhere over here. Actually, right here at 79. So I got most of this candle right there. Um, Turned out to be a really good play. And you know what I'm gonna do? Um, I'm gonna buy some here. I got filled at 77.17, so I know it dropped hard. I think it's gonna pull back up. Alright, it got to the 30s. Taking off 500. I got filled at 77.33. Got 500 left. Let's see if we could get some 40s. Alright, we're breaking 38. Let's get to that 40. Need to see 40 on the bid. Got that seller there. It's not leaving. There we go. Alright, just sold at 77.41. I'm gonna buy some Sony. It's got a big gap down. It got beat up on bad earnings reported. So just bought some there at 1942. It's around the low of the day, so hoping to see some sort of bounce if we get a nice market move. Looking back here at that Exxon play, I sold pretty high at this high candle after the drop, so I'm happy with my my exit point on that. And SNE is not looking too great, but we bought somewhere around the bottom and hoping to get a bounce going. If the market cooperates right now, it looks like market is not cooperating. It's not having it. So I'll be back to update this. Alright, market's getting a bounce here. Exxon got beat up a bit more. I'm looking to take a long. Alright, I'm in long at 76.92. Let's see what develops here. Be back to update. Market right now is looks like it's really struggling to move up. Now it's started pushing higher. I'm gonna look to get out of this Exxon. My goal is around here, around 77.10. Just got out. Got filled at 77.08. So it was a good play on that. Alright, looking at FSLR, got beaten up pretty bad. I'm going to look for a little pullback, and I'm getting in long. Alright, there's my pullback, and I got filled at 133.61. So hopefully this is going to be a good one here. And I'm up about 400. So I'm going to take half off here. I sold at 134. So I got 500 more, and let's see where that takes me. Made 195 on that first half. Alright, doing pretty well on the second half. I'm up about 400. Might look to sell it out right here. Let's see if the market could move up on this next candle. I'll be back to update. And I'm still in this Sony play. It's just been moving down on me. I'm gonna sell 500 here. Cut my losses a little bit. Alright, just sold 500, so lost $230 on that. I'm hoping to make back a bulk of it on this first solar. So I'll be back to update FSLR. And I was still thinking Sony might bounce, so be back. Alright, the markets are pushing higher. I might look to sell the rest off here on first solar, and I just did that. Got filled at 134.56. So in total I made $670 on that play on first solar. So it looks like someone closed the position out for me on Sony. I'm gonna leave it at that. So I lost $440 on that. So I'm gonna move on to one more and call it a day. I'm looking at Lockheed Martin and looking to go long. I just want to get a nice fill on here. Alright, just went long at 82.99, and it just dropped on me. So I'll be back to update this. I'm gonna let it wiggle around a bit. Alright, starting to make the kind of move I expected. I'm up about 120. Just be back to update this. Market's making a nice move. Let's see if it could hold that. It seems when it gets to about 83.10, there's a seller there. So I'm gonna look to get out as well if it gets back into the tens. It happens so quick, so might not get it on tape. Alright, here we go. 83.09 on the bid. Just dropped down. Alright, got out at 83.11. Satisfied with that. So I made 120 on there, and calling it a day. So a pretty long practice session for me. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time.